Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history and world of eyelashes. Those tiny game changers that frame our eyes and elevate our glam. From the iconic mascara wand to the evolution of falsies, get ready for a lash extravaganza. Don't blink, because we've got secrets, tips, and a whole lot of fluttering coming your way. Let's bat those lashes together. It's about to get fabulous. If you're curious about where did these lashes come from, join us on this beauty journey. Let's make those lashes the star of the show and stay gorgeous.
Did you know that false eyelashes were first brought to life by a Hollywood makeup artist named Max Factor? In 1916, Max Factor crafted the very first set of false lashes using human hair and gauze for Hollywood movie productions. The goal was to give actresses a mesmerizing gaze that would captivate audiences on the silver screen. Fast forward to the 1960s, and false eyelashes became a symbol of the swinging fashion era. Bold and dramatic lashes became the go-to accessory, perfectly complementing the psychedelic vibes of the time. The beauty industry has truly embraced the transformative power of lashes. Now, let's talk about the modern era. False eyelashes have evolved from a Hollywood secret to a mainstream beauty staple. With countless styles, lengths, and materials, they've become an essential tool for self-expression. Beauty influencers and makeup artists continue to push the boundaries, creating stunning looks that captivate audiences worldwide. Ever wondered how those fluttery wonders are made? It's a fascinating process. While Max Factor initially used human hair, today's false eyelashes are crafted from various materials, including synthetic fibers and even mink. The manufacturing process involves intricate craftsmanship, ensuring each lash is not just an accessory, but a work of art. Now let's talk about how these lashes are applied. In Max Factor's time, the application process was a bit different. The lashes were attached using a sticky substance, often a form of spirit gum, directly onto the eyelid. It was a meticulous process, but the results were mesmerizing. Fast forward to today, and applying false eyelashes has become much more user-friendly. Adhesive technology has advanced, with specialized lash glues that are easy to use and gentle on the skin. Individuals can apply false lashes at home with ease, thanks to innovations like lash strips and individual lashes. It's all about enhancing your natural beauty effortlessly. And there you have it, the captivating journey of false eyelashes through time. From Hollywood glamour to everyday glam, these tiny and sometimes huge wonders have made a significant impact.